Good morning, students. First, Brahmanath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Welcome students. Today we are going to revise the revision of application of derivative, that is tangent normal, increasing decreasing and maxima minima. First, tangent and normal. Okay, some important notes are there. First point 1, let y is equal to f of x, then the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to fx at p bracket x1 comma y1 is given by m is equal to dy by dx at p, that is d by dx of fx at x1 y1. This is the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to fx at the point p bracket x1 comma y1. Second one, this is the curve y is equal to f of x. This is the tangent line. The curve touches the curve at p having coordinate x1 comma y1. So p is called point of contact between the tangent line and the curve. Okay, so slope of this line is equal to, simply find dy by dx and put x is equal to x1 and y is equal to y1. Next, slope of normal. Normal means the line passing through the line perpendicular tangent at the point of contact. This is a tangent line and this is normal. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. The slope of normal is equal to -1 by slope of tangent. -1 by dy by dx at p. Next 3, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is using slope and form. Slope and form means y minus y1 is equal to slope of tangent m into x minus x1, where m is equal to slope of the tangent. Ila equation of tangent. Next, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to -1 by slope of tangent, that is -1 by m into x minus x1. This is the equation of normal. Next one 5. Next asla, if the tangent line is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. Tangent line parallel to x-axis same as normal perpendicular to x-axis. Next 6, if the tangent line is perpendicular to x-axis, then dx by dy is equal to 0. Dx by dy is equal to 0. This is tangent line. Tangent line टा कहाँ को parallel? x axis parallel. normal the perpendicular to kona x axis. So in this case dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to 0, and then tangent line is perpendicular to x axis. That case dx by dy is equal to 0. Okay. Next, angle between two curves. Angle between two curves. Let theta be the angle between two curves. Y is equal to f of x and y is equal to g of x. And let m1 is equal to d by dx of fx at p. m2 is equal to d by dx of gx at p, where p is the point of intersection. Point of intersection between fx, between two curves, that is solving fx is equal to gx, we get the value of x, and by putting the value of x we get the value of y. So m2 is equal to slope of the tangent to the curve gx at the point p. Okay. So theta is equal to, use the formula tan inverse m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Theta is equal to tan inverse m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Condition: if two curves cut orthogonally, then orthogonal means angle between two curves 9 degree, then product of the slope is equal to -1. Angle between two curves means angle between the tangent at the point of intersection. So if two curves cut orthogonally, then m1 into m2 is equal to what? -1, means product of their slopes at the point of intersection is -1. Okay. So these are the some theory about tangent and normal. Okay. देखो ये prove that the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 touches the curve y is equal to b to power minus x by a at the point where the curve crosses y axis. The curve crosses y axis means curve जेतलो y को क्रॉस करूची, तो दैट पॉइंट रे x is equal to कौन 0, means on y axis x is equal to कौन 0. ओके. तो फर्स्ट द सॉल्यूशन देखो. अच्छा, इक्वेशन ऑफ द गिवन कर्व, इक्वेशन ऑफ द गिवन कर्व कौन अच्छी कर्वटा ना y is equal to b to power minus x by a. Since the curve crosses y axis, so put x is equal to 0, means on y axis super x coordinate 0. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to b to power minus 0. x जरे कौन पकाला 0 पकाला, तो is equal to b, because e to power minus 0 कले 1. That is therefore 0 comma b is the point where the curve y is equal to b to power minus x by a crosses y axis. Next, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of b to power minus x by a. तो is equal to b is constant, तो b into e to power minus x by a into minus 1 by a. तो m is equal to what? ना slope of tangent at p means bracket रे 0 comma b is कौन आसीबो b into e to power minus 0 by a into minus 1 by a is equal to minus 1 by b by a. So this is slope of tangent. Okay. Therefore equation of tangent is use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1, this is y1. This one x1, this is y1, this is slope m. So use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m कहले minus b by a into x minus x1. x1 is 0. तो implies क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन कर दियो ठीक और b डिवाइड कर दियो y डिवाइड बाय b माइनस b डिवाइड बाय b इज इक्वल टू माइनस x बाय a ये जो b आनी की डिवाइड कर देली इंडिविजुअली तो इम्प्लाइज x बाय को एपड़ आन दियो तो x बाय a प्लस y बाय b b भी कैंसिल ला तो 1 से एपड़ पले कौन ला 1 तो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट तो हम प्रूव करिया प्रूव दैट द लाइन दिस इज टचेस दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन व्हिच इज द required equation of tangent. Okay, next question, show that the curves ax square plus by square equal to 1 and a dash x square plus b dash y square equal to 1 intersect at right angle if 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. अच्छा सॉल्यूशन देखा ठीक है हम कौन दिया है दुईटा कर्व तो हम उल्टे दो suppose two curves intersect at right angle then we need to show that 1 by a minus 1 by b equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. Suppose the curves ax square plus by square is equal to 1 equation 1 a dash x square plus b dash y square is equal to 1 equation 2 touch means intersect at right angle then we need to show that 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. Okay, अच्छा so intersect at right angle means product of the slope at the point of intersection is equal to minus 1. Okay, तो ठीक अच्छी differentiating both side with respect to x to equation 1 and 2 we get 2ax plus 2by into dy by dx is equal to 0. तो implies dy by dx is equal to minus ax by by and 2a dash x plus 2b dash y into dy by dx is equal to 0 implies dy by dx is equal to minus a dash x by b dash y. And suppose this is equal to m1, this is equal to m2, slope of tangent at any point, slope of tangent to the curve 1 at any point P. This also slope of tangent to the curve 2 at any point P. Okay, since two curves intersect at right angle therefore product of the slope is equal to minus 1. Product of their slopes at point of intersection is equal to minus 1. So this implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That implies minus ax by by into minus a dash x by b dash y is equal to minus 1. So implies a dash by b dash into x square by y square is equal to minus 1. y square is equal to minus 1. This is equation 3. Equation 3. This is equation 3. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get ax square plus by square is equal to a dash x square plus b dash y square. तो एक्स स्क्वायर जगह वन साइड वाई स्क्वायर जगह वन साइड कर दियो तो ए माइनस ए डैश इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी डैश माइनस बी इंटू वाई स्क्वायर. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज एक्स स्क्वायर बाई वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी डैश माइनस बी बाई ए माइनस ए डैश. ओके, दिस इज इक्वेशन 4. पुट 4 in 3 we get एक्स स्क्वायर बाई वाई स्क्वायर जगह बी डैश माइनस बी बाई ए माइनस ए डैश पुट कर दियो. We get a dash by b dash into b dash minus b by a minus a dash is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this implies a dash by b dash into b dash minus b is equal to minus of a minus a dash. तो a जगह वन साइड b जगह वन साइड कर दियो तो b dash minus b by b dash minus a plus a dash minus a plus a dash divided by a dash. Separate this. So separate this means b dash by b dash minus b by b dash is equal to minus a by a dash plus a dash by a dash. So this implies 1 by b minus 1 by b dash is equal to minus 1 by a dash plus 1 by a, or this implies 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. 1 by 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. एटा हम प्रूव करिया देखो टिके हेंस प्रूफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो दैट the equation to the normal to the curve x to power 2 by 3 plus y to power 2 by 3 is equal to a to power 2 by 3 is y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta, where theta is the inclination to the normal with the x axis. देखो ये this is the x axis, this one y axis. Suppose this is the curve x to power 2 by 3 plus y to power 2 by 3 is equal to a to power 2 by 3. Okay, and this is the tangent line. So this is the point of contact. So this is the normal. ये वाला कौन तुम्हारा normal? This one normal. तो normal makes theta degree with positive x axis in positive sense. Normal makes theta degree with positive x axis in positive sense. तो स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? tan थीटा. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल लगे तो हमारे ठीक tan थीटा. एंड सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ काउंटर दो. सपोज द पॉइंट भी p ब्रैकेट रे x1 कॉमा y1. ओके, तो ठीक है. देखो सॉल्यूशन देखो ठीक है. इक्वेशन ऑफ गिवन कर्व, इक्वेशन ऑफ द गिवन कर्व इज x to power 2 by 3 plus y to power 2 by 3 is equal to a to power 2 by 3. इक्वेशन हुआ. Let p bracket रे x1 comma y1 with the point of contact between the tangent line and the curve, between the tangent line and the curve 1. So this implies x1 to power 2 by 3 plus y1 to power 2 by 3 is equal to a to power 2 by 3. Equation 2. Okay, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x to equation 1. 1 को हमें डेरिवेटिव करिए. तो this implies 2 by 3 into x to power minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into y to power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal to right side to 0 because a is constant. So this implies dy by dx is equal to minus x to x by y to power minus 1 by 3. ओके, और dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस वाई बाई एक्स टू पावर प्लस 1/3 प्लस 1/3। तो m इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट p ब्रैकेट रे x1 y1 इज इक्वल टू माइनस y1 टू पावर 1/3 by x1 to power 1/3. This is slope of tangent. Hence, slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by m is equal to x1 to power 1/3 divided by y1 to power 1/3. x1 term means ulti wala minus 1 plus x1 to power 1/3 by y1 to power 1/3. But given that कौन दिया है हमको, given that theta is the angle made by the normal with positive x-axis in positive sense. Therefore slope of normal is equal to tan theta. Any line making theta degree with positive axis in positive sense, then slope of that line is equal to tan theta. Slope of that line is what? Tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to x1 to power 1/3 divided by y1 to power 1/3. So this is a triangle. Suppose this is theta, so tan theta के लिए p by b. So this is x1 to power 1/3. This is y1 to power 1/3. So this is p and this one b. So h is equal to what? H is equal to p square plus b square root. So p square. So this is x1 to power 2/3 plus y1 to power 2/3 root. So x1 to power 2/3 plus y1 to power 2/3 equal to a to power 2/3 from equation 2. So this is equal to root a to power 2/3 is equal to a to power 1/3. So h is equal to a to power 1/3. Okay. So sin theta from the triangle sin theta is equal to p by h is equal to x1 power 1/3 divided by a to power 1/3. So this implies x1 to power 1/3 is equal to a to power 1/3 sin theta. So cubing both side we get x1 is equal to a sin q theta. Similarly y1 is equal to a cos q theta. So point of contact, that means p, coordinate of p is equal to a sin q theta comma a cos q theta. So point of contact is p bracket रे a sin q theta comma a cos q theta. Therefore equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal into x minus x1. So this implies y minus y1, this is x1, this is y1. So a cos q theta is equal to slope of normal is tan theta into x minus a sin q theta. This is x1. Okay, but y minus a cos q theta is equal to what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So this is sin theta by cos theta into x minus a sin q theta. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो, तो y cos theta minus a cos 4 theta is equal to x sin theta minus a sin 4 theta. वेरिएबल जाकर वन से कर दियो, तो y cos theta minus x sin theta, वेरिएबल मीन्स x and y इज इक्वल टू कौन जगह वन साइड रे a कॉमन कर देले cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta. तो implies y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a into a fourth minus b fourth. This is a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Okay, तो implies y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a into cos square theta minus sin square theta is what? This is cos 2 theta and this is 1. Therefore required equation of normal is equal is y cos theta minus x sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta. Okay, where theta is the inclination made by that normal with positive x in positive sense to the curve x to power 2 by 3 plus y to power 2 by 3 is equal to a to power 2 by 3. Okay. Next question is show that the sum of the x intercept and y intercept of any tangent to the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a is constant. देखो ठीक है, any tangent, this is the x axis, this is one y axis, this is the origin, this is the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a suppose, and this is the tangent line made by this is a tangent line, this is called point of contact. So suppose the coordinate is x1 comma y1. Okay, so equation of the given curve and the tangent line cut x at a and y at b. So we need to show that sum of intercept means x intercept and y intercept means OA plus OB is equal to what? Constant. Okay. So equation of given curve is root x plus root y is equal to root a. Equation 1, let p bracket x1 comma y1 be the point of contact between tangent line and the curve 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes root x1 plus root y1 is equal to root a. This is equation 2. Differentiating both sides with respect to x to equation 1 is 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to right side to 0 because a is constant. So this implies dy by dx is equal to minus root y divided by root x, where let m is equal to slope of tangent to the curve 1 at p bracket x1 comma y1. Therefore m is equal to minus root y1 by root x1. Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So implies y minus y1 is equal to minus root y1 by root x1 into x minus x1. तो y जाको वन साइड कर दिया, x जाको वन साइड कर दिया. तो implies y minus y1 by root y1 equal to minus x1 by root x1. कौन कर ली? y जाको वन साइड रे, x जाको वन साइड रे. तो सेपरेट कर दिया. y by root y1 minus y1 by root y1 equal to minus x by root x1 plus x1 by root x1 minus plus. So implies y by root y1, this is minus root y1 by root y1 is root y1 is equal to minus x by root x1 plus root x1 by root x1 is root x1. Now variable जाकर वन साइड कर दिया, कांस्टेंट जाकर वन साइड कर दिया. वेरिएबल मीन्स x and y. तो ये माइनस टाइप प्लस हो गला x by root x1 plus y by root y1 is equal to root x1 plus root y1. But root x1 plus root y1 is equal to, but root x1 root a into root x1 plus y by root a into root y1 is equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent. Comparing or direct or for x intercept, put y is equal to 0, find the value of x, we get this is equal to for x intercept, put y is equal to 0, find the value of x. For y intercept is equal to OB, means for y intercept put x is equal to 0, find the value of y. It is root a into root y1. According to question, sum of intercept means OA plus OB, that is root a into root x1 plus root a into root y1 is equal to root a common कर दिया, root x1 plus root y1, but root x1 plus root y1 is root a, तो root a into root a, since root x1 plus root y1 is equal to root a, so is equal to a, which is constant. तो कौन को है sum of the intercept is constant, hence proof. Next, increasing and decreasing function. A function f of x is said to be increasing function if x1 is less than x2, then f of x1 less than equal to f of x2, or x1 greater than x2, then f of x1 greater than equal to f of x2 for all x1 comma x2 belongs to interval I. That means small input, the small output, and higher input, we get higher output. Similarly, for decreasing function, a function f of x said to be decreasing function in an interval capital I if x1 is less than x2, that implies f of x1 greater than is equal to f of x2, means less than greater asibo, greater than less asibo. There is small input having more output, means higher output, and higher input having less output. Okay, but in case of derivative, a function f of x said to be increasing at x is equal to a if f dash a greater than 0 and decreasing if f dash a less than 0. Okay, but basically application find the interval in which f of x is equal to x square plus 1 when x less than is equal to minus 3 and s cube minus 8s plus 13 when x greater than minus 3 is increasing and decreasing. Okay, solution देखा था हल लिखिए. तो given f of x is equal to x square plus 1 if x is less than is equal to minus 3 and s cube minus 8x plus 13 if x greater than minus 3. Therefore f dash x is equal to 2x when x less than is equal to minus 3 and 3x square minus 8 when x greater than minus 3. Okay, अच्छा, since x less than is equal to minus 3, f dash x is negative. Since x less than or equal to minus 3, f dash x negative. So f of x is f dash x means f dash x negative. So f of x is decreasing in the interval minus infinity to minus 3. Again, when x greater than minus 3, f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 8. For turning point, put 3x square minus 8 greater than 0, equal to 0. So implies x is equal to plus or minus square root of 8 by 3. Draw the number line. This is the number line. This is the minus 3. This is infinity. Because x is greater than minus 3, f of x is equal to s cube minus 8x plus 30. So this is minus square root of 8 by 3 and this is plus square root of 8 by 3. Okay. So in f dash x, what is the sign of x square? Now it's positive. So put here positive sign, then put the alternate sign. That means positive alternate must be negative or alternate must be positive. For increasing f dash x is greater than 0. So this implies x belongs to, from the number line, x belongs to minus 3 to minus square root of 8 by 3 union square root of 8 by 3 to infinity. Similarly, for decreasing f dash x is less than 0, that implies 3x square minus 8 is less than 0, implies x belongs to minus square root of 8 by 3 to plus square root of 8 by 3. At x is equal to minus 3, f of x is discontinuous. So f of x is decreasing in the interval in minus infinity to minus 3 union minus square root of 8 by 3 to plus square root of 8 by 3, and f of x is increasing in x belongs to minus 3 to minus square root of 8 by 3 union square root of 8 by 3 to infinity. So in this interval function is increasing, and in this interval function is decreasing function. Okay. Next question. Find the interval where f of x is equal to 10x minus 4 into x minus 2 is increasing or decreasing on the interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. अच्छा, तो गिवन फंक्शन कौन देखो ठीक है, गिवन f of x is equal to 10x minus 4 into x minus 2. तो फॉर इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग कोई, तो फर्स्ट आम कौन करिए एफ डैश एक्स बाहर कर दो, तो एफ डैश एक्स टा केते पाइब सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 4. ओके. फॉर टर्निंग पॉइंट पुट एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0, implies x square x minus 4 is equal to 0, implies x square x is equal to 4, implies cos square x is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 रा square, implies cos square x is equal to cos pi by 3 रा whole square. That implies cos square x is equal to cos square pi by 3. तो implies x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. n belongs to z. x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. For n is equal to 0, तो x is equal to plus or minus pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. Yes. Draw the number line. This is the number line. This is minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2. This is minus pi by 3. This is plus pi by 3. Okay. So let x is equal to 0. 0 belongs to this interval minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3. So f dash 0, f dash x equal to c square. So c square 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 4. So minus 3 less than 0. So put here negative sign. Because this is negative and x belongs 0 belongs to this interval. So f dash 0 is negative means put a negative sign. And what is the opposite of minus? The plus. So put here plus, this also plus. So for increasing f dash x is greater than 0. That implies c square x minus 4 is greater than 0. This implies x belongs to minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 3 union pi by 3 to pi by 2. For decreasing f dash x is less than 0, that implies a square x minus 4 is less than 0. So this implies x belongs to minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3. So this is decreasing in this interval and increasing in this interval. Okay. Next, maximum and minimum. A function f of x is said to be local maximum or relative maximum at x is equal to a if f of a greater than is equal to f of x for all x belongs to a minus delta to a plus delta, where delta is small positive number. Similarly, a function f of x is said to be local minimum at x is equal to a or relative minimum at x is equal to a if f of a less than f of x for all x belongs to a minus delta to a plus delta, where delta is a small positive number, and f of a is known as local minimum value. A comma f of a is known as point of local minima. Okay. Next, in derivative, so there are two types. There are two ways testing for local maximum and local minimum. One is sign test and another one is higher order derivative test. In sign test or first order derivative test, step 1. What is step 1? So write y is equal to fx and find dy by dx. Step 2, for critical value or turning point, critical value, put dy by dx is equal to 0 and solving we get the value of x. Let x is equal to c1, c2, c3. These are the critical values. And suppose c1 is less than c2 is less than c3. Next, step 3. What is step 3? Draw a number line. And put these critical values in ascending order. छोटू बड़ा सजा दब. Suppose this is the number line. This is minus infinite to plus infinite. This is c1, c2, c3. Okay. Next, put step 4. Put the appropriate sign. Put the appropriate sign in the number line. Suppose let c1 is equal to -1, c2 is equal to 2. So let x is equal to 0, belongs to -1 to 2. Find the sign of f dash 0. Suppose let f dash 0 is positive, then put here positive sign, then put alternate of this minus plus and this is minus. Suppose since step 5 since f dash x changes sign from negative to positive when x passes c1 from left to right, so f of x is local minimum at x is equal to c1 and local minimum value is equal to f of c1. Okay, so this is local minimum, this is local maximum, and this is local minimum. Means negative to positive गले कौन आसे local minimum, positive to negative गले local maximum. यदि साइन चेंज न हो तो neither max nor mean. Okay, neither max nor mean. So this is in sign test. Similarly, in हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, तो हायर डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट कौन आसो स्टेप 1 स्टेप 2 कंपलसरी हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, step 1 step 2 compulsory, step 3 is slight different. So step 3, what is step 3? Find second order derivative d square y by dx square. Step 4, if d square y by dx square at x is equal to c1 is less than 0, y is maximum, greater than 0, y is minimum, equal to 0, find dqy by dsq. Again if dqy by dx cube at x is equal to c1 not is equal to 0, this implies y is neither maximum nor minimum at x is equal to c1 or is equal to 0, find d fourth y by dx fourth and so on, or use sign test. Use sign test. Okay, find the maximum value of fx is equal to 1 by x to power x. देखो सॉल्यूशन देखो ठीक है, गिवन f of x is equal to 1 by x to power x. ओके, तो जेहेतु वेरिएबल डेर वेरिएबल फॉर्म अच्छी तो टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड, तो ln fx is equal to x ln 1 by x. ओके, तो this implies ln fx is equal to x, this is ln 1 minus ln x, okay. अच्छा, तो this implies ln fx is equal to minus x ln x, since ln 1 is 0. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this is 1 by fx into dy dx of fx is equal to minus ln x plus minus x into 1 by x. So implies f dash x is equal to fx into minus ln x minus 1, or implies f dash x is equal to minus fx into 1 plus ln x. Okay, अच्छा, for a turning point or critical value of x, put f dash x is equal to 0, implies minus fx into 1 plus ln x is equal to 0, implies 1 plus ln x is equal to 0, f of x not equal to 0 since x greater than 0. So implies ln x is equal to minus 1, ln x is equal to minus ln e, or ln x is equal to ln e to power minus 1 implies x is equal to e to power minus 1, that implies x is equal to 1 by e. Okay, this is critical value of x. Next, f double dash x. F double dash x means d by dx of f dash x into 1 plus ln x, आगे माइनस साइन, तो इज इक्वल टू माइनस d by dx of f dash x, fx not f dash fx, into 1 plus ln x plus fx into d by dx of 1 plus ln x. Okay, this is equal to minus, this is f dash x into 1 plus ln x plus fx by x. Okay, at x is equal to 1 by e, f double dash x or f double dash 1 by e is equal to minus curly bracket f dash 1 by e plus 1 plus into 1 plus ln 1 by e plus f of 1 by e by 1 by e. So this is equal to, this is 0 minus 0 because ln 1 by e is minus 1. This is 0 plus e f of 1 by e, which is less than 0. Which is less than 0 because this is negative value. So this implies f double dash 1 by e is less than 0, implies f of x is local maximum at x is equal to 1 by e, and maximum value is equal to f of 1 by e is equal to 1 by f of 1 by means x जगह 1 by e पड़ला 1 by e to power 1 by e, so is equal to e to power 1 by e. This is the local maximum value. Okay, determine the constant a comma b and c in order that the function f of x is equal to s cube plus ax square plus bx plus c may have local maximum at x is equal to minus 1 and a local minimum at x is equal to 3. Since the function is extremum at x is equal to minus 1 and 3, so f dash minus 1 equal to 0 and f dash 3 is equal to 0. Okay, solution: given f of x is equal to s cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, f dash x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus b. Since f of x has extremum at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3, therefore f dash minus 1 is equal to 0 and f dash 3 is equal to 0. So this implies f dash minus 1 means x जगह minus 1 put करो, 3 into minus 1 square plus 2a into minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. That implies 3 minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. Also f dash and f dash 3 is equal to 3 into 3 the square plus 2a into 3 plus b is equal to 0. That implies 27 plus 6a plus b is equal to 0. Equation 3. Okay, from 3 minus equation 3 minus equation 2, 3 root 2 minus कर दियो तो बीटा कैंसिल कर 27 minus 3, this is 24, 6a plus 8a, 6a plus 2a, 8a is equal to 0. So a is equal to minus 3. A is equal to what? Minus 3. From equation 2, so b is equal to 2a minus 3. So is equal to minus 6 minus 3. So implies b is equal to minus 9. 2a minus 3. Okay, a is equal to minus 3. Yes, b is equal to minus 9. And c belongs to any real number, any real constant. So this is c. Okay. Next question: find the extreme point and extreme value of the function f of x is equal to 60 divided by x fourth minus x square plus 25. Okay. So given function, given f of x is equal to 60 by x fourth minus x square plus 25. This is f of x. So what is f dash x? F dash x 1 by fx, derivative of 1 by fx. और another way करी कौन थे? Let gx नहीं जीवा, let g of x is equal to 1 by fx is equal to x fourth रे सहज करिया पे कर दो तुरी क्या ला ये आंसर कली भी हबो. तो we need if fx is maximum then gx is minimum, and if fx is minimum then if gx is maximum then fx is minimum, इफ gx इज मिनिमम देन fx इज मैक्सिमम। ओके उल्टा ही आसवा किसी। तो g डैश x बाहर कर दिया, g डैश x कले 4s क्यूब माइनस 2x बाई 60। ओके g डबल डैश x भी बाहर कर दिया दरकार पड़ो 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 डिवाइड बाई 60 और दिस इज इक्वल टू 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई 30। फॉर क्रिटिकल वैल्यू ऑफ x, फॉर क्रिटिकल वैल्यू ऑफ x पुट g dash x is equal to 0. So this implies 4s cube minus 2x divided by 60 is equal to 0. Implies 2x कॉमन कर देले 2x square minus 1 is equal to 0. तो implies x is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. This is x. Okay. Next, at x is equal to 0, g double dash x और g double dash 0 is equal to minus 1 by 30. x जरा 0 पुट करो तो which is less than 0. तो this implies f of x is g of x not fx, g of x is maximum at x is equal to 0. So this implies f of x is minimum at x is equal to 0 and minimum value is equal to f of 0. So f of 0 means 60 by 25. 60 by 25 is equal to 12 by 5. This is the minimum value. Okay. At x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, g double dash plus or minus 1 by root 2 is equal to g double dash plus or minus 1 root 2 means 6 into 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 30 or this is 3 minus 1 means x equal to plus or minus 1 root 2 means x square equal to 1 by 2 divided by 30 is equal to 2 by 30 greater than 0. So this implies g of x is minimum at x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. x is equal to gx is minimum at x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. As gx is minimum at x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, then f of x is maximum. कहीं gx टा जदि मिनिमम हम fx टा मैक्सिमम हम कहीं ना ये होल थिंग इज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मैक्सिमम at x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Therefore max value is equal to f of plus or minus 1 by root 2. तो इज इक्वल टू 60 डिवाइड बाई जेहेतु एक्सट्रा प्लस और माइनस 1 रूट 2 तो एक्स स्क्वायर 1 by 2 तो एक्स स्क्वायर जगह 1 by 2 पकेबा तो यहाँ 1 by 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 by 2 प्लस 25 तो इज इक्वल टू सिंप्लीफाई कले 60 into 4 डिवाइड बाई 1 minus 2 plus 50 plus 100 तो 60 into 4 डिवाइड बाई 100 plus 1 ये 99 आसीगला तो 3 कैंसल हो गले 3 कैंसल हो गले हम तो 80 3 कैंसल 80 by 33 80 by 33 ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखा ठीक है सो दैट द सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल ऑफ ए कोन ऑफ गिवन स्लांट हाइट विथ मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम इज 10 over root 2। अच्छा कौटा मैक्सिमम कही ना वॉल्यूम इज मैक्सिमम जेहेतु वॉल्यूम इज मैक्सिमम कही तो वॉल्यूम को आम कौन करिया डेरिवेटिव करवा है कि नेक्स्ट कौन ना सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल टा केते हम 10 over root 2 बोली प्रूव करिया कहूँ वर्टिकल द लाइन पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस सेमी मीन्स तार अधा सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल मीन्स कौन आसो होल एंगल अधा हो सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल तो सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल ऑफ ए कोन ऑफ ए गिवन स्लांट हाइट देखो दिस इज ए कोन नवा कौनटा गिवन दिखाई ना स्लांट हाइटा गिवन दिखाई तो जोटा गिवन सी आम कांस्टांट ताको आम ट्रीट करिया कौन कांस्टांट आम ट्रीट करिया कांस्टांट ओके अच्छा दिस इज द लाइन पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस एंड दिस इज द रेडियस ओके so this is semi vertical suppose alpha and this is height h this is radius this is slant height l so this is slant height तो एटा हमर गिवन तो एटा को हमें कौन करिया ट्रीट करिया कांस्टेंट ट्रीटेड एज ए स्लांट हाइट इज ए गिवन तो ट्रीटेड एज ए कांस्टेंट ओके दिस इज राइट एंगल तो नेमिंग कर दियो ए बी सी ओके सॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम द लेट अल्फा बी द सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल h height is equal to AB, R radius is equal to BC, L is equal to slant height is equal to AC of a cone. Okay. Therefore, L square is equal to H square plus R square because this is a right circular cone. तो L square is equal to H square plus R square implies R square is equal to L square minus H square. Let V capital V is equal to volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H 1 by 3 pi what is R square L square minus H square into H is equal to 1 by 3 pi L square H minus H cube. Now V is a function of H. V is a function of H. So dV by dH 1 by 3 pi L square minus 3H square. D square V by dH square 1 by 3 pi this is 0 minus 6H. So is equal to minus 2 pi H. For critical value of H for critical value of H put dV by dH is equal to 0. dV by dH is equal to 0. So this implies 1 by 3 pi L square minus 3H square is equal to 0. So implies L square minus 3H square is equal to 0. So H square is equal to L square by 3. H is equal to L by root 3 taking positive sign because H is height. So taking हमें कौन ना ले positive sign ना ले हमें taking positive sign. Okay. तो H is equal to L by root 3. Therefore D square V by dH square at H is equal to L by root 3. What is the value? Minus 2 pi H जगह L by root 3 पके दियो. So this is negative. So this implies V is volume V is maximum at H is equal to L by root 3. Okay. Therefore R square is equal to कौन से L square minus H square is equal to L square minus H square कर ले L square by 3 is equal to 2 L square by 3. This implies H is equal to root 2 L by root 3. Root 2 L by root 3. In triangle ABC, AB by BC, AB by BC is equal to 10. Sorry, BC by AB is equal to 10 alpha. BC by AB is equal to 10 alpha. So what is BC? BC means R. So 10 alpha is equal to R by H. 10 alpha is equal to what? R by H. So this implies tan alpha is equal to what is R? R is equal to root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3 L divided by H. H is equal to L by root 3. This is H and sorry, this is R, not H, R, this is H. So this is L by 1 by root 3 L. So L को L cancel, root 3 cancel, this is root 2. So alpha is equal to what? Tan inverse root 2. Okay, alpha is equal to tan inverse root 2. Therefore, volume is maximum, volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is maximum at alpha is equal to tan inverse root 2. Okay, hence proof.